Hi guys, welcome back to Tandy Law Firm's channel. In today's video, we have an important topic to discuss, especially now that we are in the months of winter. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the importance of having a car emergency kit on hand. Now, this is definitely something that you do not want to overlook. Now we know that weather can be very unpredictable and weather can change in an instant, especially in Indiana. I know this week was negative degrees and I've heard the next week is gonna be 40 degrees. So that is why it's important with this unexpected weather to have these car emergency kits on hand. So in today's video, we are gonna dive deep into the reasons of why it is important that you must have one. So let's get into the video. Now, the first reason that we have for you is roadside breakdowns. Now, we know car trouble is never fun, especially in the winter time when it is freezing cold. In snowy and icy weather and being stuck in this, it could definitely be a real headache. That's why it's important to have these car emergency kits on hand, because the tools in your emergency kit might help assist you either get back on the road or at least keep you safe until help arrives. Now, the next reason we have for you is safety first. Obviously, safety is our top priority. If you or someone else gets injured as you're in a car crash in the wintertime where help might not be available right away, having an emergency car kit is crucial. A lot of these kits contain a well-equipped first aid kit that's allowing you to help assist anyone that may be injured until better help can arrive. Another reason we have is stay warm and stay hydrated. If you are stuck in this cold winter weather, staying warm is going to be the key. A lot of these emergency kits contain a thermal blanket, and I know a lot of people like to pack some extra clothing because if you are stuck in this cold weather, staying warm is definitely something you're gonna want to do. So always make sure that you have these on hand in your emergency kit, as well as always make sure you have water in your car. Even in this cold weather, it is important to stay hydrated, especially if you are going to be stuck for a long period of time. Now, the last reason we have for you is peace of mind. Knowing you have a car emergency kit in your car can definitely help you have a peace of mind no matter what circumstance you run into. It's like having a safety net in case you go through any unexpected challenges. So there you have it, the reasons why you need a car emergency kit. Remember, it's not only about being prepared for the worst, but it's also just about taking responsibility for your safety and safety of others on the road. So if you haven't yet, definitely go purchase yourself a car emergency kit. And if you don't have one, stay tuned for this Thursday because we are going to be announcing a very exciting giveaway. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and share this with friends and family that you know do not have this in their car. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there.